The camera is a tool. We should strive to use our creativity and simple photographic tools to tell stories that speak of the human condition. This project, entitled Strong and Free, captures the challenges of immigration, raising kids in a new country, racism and fitting in, and the small victories of citizenship, employment, being community leaders, and encouraging their kids to dream big. Today's story is of Lynette from Guyana. I'm Carmen Groh, and this is Hasselblad Stories.
Here comes another angel, and her name was Karen Larson, a Swedish girl, Swedish-American. She was from Minnesota, but she was here in Canada. And she worked nights with me. And she saw me losing weight and everything. And every night that I worked, she had a meal there for me. And for some reason, I couldn't eat during the day, but I could eat at night. So Karen Larson kept Karen and I alive, because she would always bring nutritious meals for me at work, and I would eat them. So of course, when Karen was born, what would I name her? Yeah, that's how she got her name.